Inkshot Freddy here with another video. Well, guys, I am with Unicorn Friend, who is Cotton Candy Wolf. I'm finally making a video with her, and I'm Spring Bonnie. And we both have bunny ears. I started. Guys, we are in a game. We are at an obby. On Xbox at Talk. Alright, so guys, I'm on a PC, so yeah, I started. Just to let her know. But guys, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh! Oh yeah, boy! Yeet! Why can I not move? Let's reset the character. I'm lagging. I joined by this dude. I accidentally walked right through. Inkshot Freddy. Yeah, you coming?
Whatever that is, that natural trigger that causes it to happen.
What?
Eating period, whatever you want to call it, period of activity. You've got to be there when you got to be around
what the
before that happens. And all these guys have.
What? I'm naked.
Daryl's moving around a little bit. He's made a move.
I'm naked.
Trying to give that
I'm naked.
A bit of a rest, but those fish that are in there trying to spawn come up and set up on those.
I'm naked.
He'll go back to it, I'm sure, during the rest of, a little bit later
What?
in the day.
How did I die over here?
Looking for some new areas, some fresh fish that haven't had any pressure on them.
Guys, how did I die?
See how it works out for him.
Reset. Guys, why won't it? I'm lagging. I have to rejoin. I'm lagging. I have to rejoin. Guys, I'm gonna have to rejoin. I'll be right back after these short messages. Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna let. Back. Already off the bat, I died. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Lucky Charms and milk. No milk. Yeet. Checkpoint. I like that Sonic noise. Oof. What? She's cheating. Hey, looky. Yo, no way, Doc. No way. No way. Yes way, apparently. Are you? I'm mad. I'm mad. I can't complete this fucking stage. Yaki Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Oh, Yaki Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a coin up his butt and called it macaroni. Guys, make sure you subscribe Cotton Candy Wolf, because that is Unicorn Friend. Unicorn Friend is Cotton Candy Wolf. Okay? So. Help. I'm embarrassing myself on YouTube. I want to delete this so much, but what kind of YouTuber would I be if I just delete that stuff? The important stuff. Cotton Candy Wolf, move, please. Yeet. Finally! Where do you think I'm going? Where am I going, boy? Where am I going? I'm going to rub my butt all over your face. Oh, he's a checkpoint. Okay. Oh, frick, not one of these. I am lagging like nuts. I'm going to, yeah. Oh man, I hate this. I hate this freaking lag. What? I did not even touch it. I did not even touch it. Oh. 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 I'm dead, ain't I? At least let me die on my checkpoint. Use the shelf to get to the other side. Of course I have to use the shelf. Why is it always the freaking shelf? Yo. Yo, bro. What? Guys, I am so bad at Audis. Oh, oh yes. Oh, yes. Durner. Come on. What? How did I die? Oh, darn. Oof. Guys, comment down below if you think I'm a noob at Audis, because I only completed Minecraft Obby. You have Bloxburg? Yep, I have it. I just don't do videos on it, you guys. Just so you know. And why is this noob in the way? Oh yeah, boy. Oh, let's do it. Okay, guys, I'll be right back after these short messages. Guys, I am here at Welcome to Bloxburg. I never did a video on this before, so to you guys, this might be interesting if you guys never got Robux, which is real sad because I just had to buy mine. Play. Inky House. Randomize. Let's go to randomize. Yay. Let's cash out. Open. Yeah, I wonder when Cotton Candy Wolf will get back on here. Didn't go on yet for some reason. Hold on, wait. Guys, hold on. Invite friends to play. Yo, she's in the game. What's up? What's up? My I'm hungry. I'm gonna get something to eat. Take a quick meal. Banana. I'm gonna shove this banana down my throat. Go to the party. Go to the party. Go to the party. Hey guys, comment down below if you think I'm I'm not really sure if I am. Yo, guys, this is good. I'm hungry. I'm gonna shove this banana down my throat, boy. Yum. I am a guest here, so I'm fine. Oh, I'm a roommate at her house. Hello. Please donate. Amount 100. Boom. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay. This guy gets me. This guy. Help me. Oh, frick, man. Oh, frick. Guys, I'm gonna at least try to find my house. I'm gonna drive this. Oh man, I can't. Oh, I forgot I'm a kid. That's probably why. I'm a kid. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a kid. I'm a midget. I'm a freaking midget. Yeah, I'm a freaking midget. Yeah, I'm a freaking midget at the full moon. Yeah, I'm a freaking midget. Yeet. I'm running my butt off. Well, whose house is this? Whose house is this? Aha, I broke in. How do I get it? Break out though? Oh no! Can someone help? Can someone help? Oh. Unicorn, start a party. Unicorn, start a party. Oh frick, who's that? Oh frick, that scared me. I said unicorn, start a party. Okay, just going to me house first. Okay. Oh, dang. Again. Cause I accidentally missed that. No one come. Again. I'm waiting. Wait. What the frick is she saying? Guys, sorry if I'm being silent. I'm just focusing on counting Candy Wolf. Because, guys, if you guys did not know, I actually go to her school. Yeah, me and her go to the same elementary school. It says I can't. I did it already. Aw, man. Hi. What? Well, where is she? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I just let everyone know I'm lost. I have no money, sorry. Yo, what the frick? The freak. Oh, here she is. I found her. A mount. I'm gonna give her one. Boom. I'm gonna donate some money. Boom. Finally. I have some money, please. Donate money. 10. Boom. Because I can't. Because I can't. ABC forecast. Freaking out, guys. He's freaking out. ABC. Okay. Aw. She's so sad. Guys, I'm gonna follow her. Come here, the Mario Pit, the one that's gonna beat you, boo. Go to your house. Go to your house. Go to your house. I bet her wallet's there. Oh wait, whoa. Kids. I only have one. Aw, I'm sad too. Everyone's sad. I'm a sad rabbit. You know what? I'm gonna do a Brinky dance. Go to your house. Oh, she's a adult now. Oh no, we're both kids still. Oh, I know. I'm gonna go in here. By the way, I'm at your house.
It's not the marshal's responsibility. And let's just hope that it's from the rain.
My house.
Yeah. I was gonna say he took off his big blue pants, got on his regular pants now.
Go to house.
Power poles going down. Everything I have to do is I gotta take this out of my pocket. Because I'm getting hurt and I just don't want to put that.
I'm
You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to my house. Yeah. Guys, I'm just gonna not talk for the rest of the video.
Won't help, but they're biting.
Are you still?
They're biting. Just peeing. See? He's starting to get red. Right there. They're coming up. Good sign. Good sign.
If you saw that, you would think, all right, that fish wasn't big enough to go in live well, it didn't help, but in reality, you saw him.
Nope, I got music.
It did help him. He said, this is a good sign. He realized these fish are coming up, which is exactly what he wants them to do, but this is reinforcement
recording.
of that. And,
well, guys, I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.
You're still
Let's go wait for 20 minutes.
That information to feel secure with your game plan.
Every bite out there on the water is information.
Bye.